flag has stars.
All right, turn the page to page 6 and 7.
Look at the flag. The flag has stripes.
Very good. Turn your page. You should see an 8 and a 9 at the bottom. We'll hear from Max.
Look at the flag. The flag has red stripes.
Very good reading, Max. I like how you use the photographs to help you out. All right, we're on page 10 and 11. Osborne.
Look at the flag. The flag has white stripes.
I liked how you used the highlighted word to look at the photograph, Osborne. Good job.
Look
Anna.
Look at the flag. The flag has stars.
What's that color word there? Starts with a
White stars.
white, because I like how you look at the close-up photo to help you figure out the words. Miss Bryn, can you reach page 14?
At the flag. The flag has a pole.
I like how you use the highlighted word, and there's that arrow pointing to the photograph. All right, turn the page, and I want everyone to read the last page as a team. On 3, 2, 1.
Look at the flag.
Great reading, kindergarten.